Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to take a screenshot on a Mac. So let's get started. Taking a screenshot on a Mac is incredibly easy and comes in three simple methods. Firstly, to capture your entire screen, just press Shift plus Command plus 3. The screenshot will automatically save to your desktop, and a thumbnail preview will appear in the bottom right corner, which you can click on to mark up or edit if needed. Secondly, if you want to capture only a specific area of your screen, just press Shift plus Command plus 4 and a crosshair cursor will appear. Simply drag the cursor to select the desired portion of your screen, and again, the screenshot will be saved to your desktop with a preview for quick editing. The third one is Command plus Shift plus 5. With this, you can choose either capture the entire screen, capture the selected window, or capture the selected portion. Also, with this option, you can also record your entire screen or record selected portion. And in the options, you can select where you want to save it. These convenient shortcuts make it effortless to capture and annotate any important information or images on your Mac. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.